Okay, so we were opening up arceus V-Box, and the video failed.
So I guess I really have to win this.
So these are the hits that we got.
Man, I just cracked my finger.
Then we have the code card for
it was my middle finger.
Girl, Sophie, stop it.
What? Okay.
Sophie, come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So, sorry about that, guys. Kind of messed up, but we got 3 hits. So, the video... Alright, so we were doing a video, and then it just logged me to my home screen, and then the video ended. Alright, energy. Spiral energy. Peony. Laren. Gollet. Deerling. Can you go faster? Yes. That the video doesn't end again. Sneasel. Gwen Farfetched. Frofu. Come on, show the camera, not yourself. Weavile and yo. Galarian Moltres V. Yeah. 4 hits so far.
Yep.
We're doing really good.
Yeah. We're doing really good.
We've gotten a hit out of every single pack so far. Look at this.
4 hits. 4,069 hits.
What the heck? Cosmic Eclipse.
I hope we get something in this pack too.
I don't think we're not.
Yeah.
3, 4. Energy. Tag Call. Priplup. Clay. Grope. Rowlet. Dragamoo. Passaman. Rolts. Oh my god. A Glade character card. And a Fion.
Man!
And a
so good.
So good. Oh my god. Yo, that was on a green code card. Green. Oh my god. This box is crazy. Huh?
No.
Oh my gosh. It's a God box. God box. Yes. If Soph gets something out of this,
then it will be
God
all
box.
the packs.
No, it's literally God box.
Yeah.
It's literally God box.
Yeet. I'll yeet this box in heaven.
Alright, hurry up before the video ends so we don't have to restart again. People controlling the video be like, oh, we should end this guy's video. It'll be nice.
Code card.
Code card. Code card. Why are you putting the code cards on the good hit?
Because you did.
Alright, yeah, I did. Do the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See if you can get
energy.
Energy.
Man, my hair.
If we get a hollow, it's all right.
Yeah, because that counts as a rare.
Yeah. Charon's Care.
Oh.
That's right. Priplup.
Thick.
That's right. Kimber. Hawlucha. Faster. Blitzel. Carablast. Faster. Team. Darthwave. Clefairy. And Boss's Orders.
Dang! This
Dang it, Boss's Orders.
Dang it!
We got a hollow. No, that's a hollow.
Dang it!
But we still got a God box. I want to save that up.
Yeah. At least we got 5.
Yo.
Dang!
I'm doing a recap because we just got
Dang it.
the best hits ever.
Yeah.
Alright, recap. There you go. Boss's Orders. Glade character card. Galarian Moltres V. Arceus V. some CRV, and an elk creamy character.
Man, that's cool.
Man!
Why we keep saying man?
I don't know, because we're a man.
I'm not man.
So, that is going to be it for today's
This
video.
video.
I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.